गुड इवनिंग ऑल द एमसीटी एस्पिरेंट्स. टुडे आई एम हियर टू गाइड यू दैट आप अपना एडमिट कार्ड कैसे डाउनलोड करेंगे. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम लोगों को क्या करना है, विल गो ऑन द गूगल, ओके, और एल्स यू कैन गो ऑन क्रोम. यू विल टाइप IMUCT login 2026 और यू कैन ऑल्सो टाइप एडमिट कार्ड. ओके, फिर उसके बाद विल क्लिक ऑन द फर्स्ट लिंक. ओके, then this page will open. Okay, this page will open. Now you have to register your IMUCT number and your password. If you don't know, you can refer your email. Okay, it is very much available on your email ID. Okay, ईमेल पे अवेलेबल है. देन यू हैव टू. सो आप लोग जब अपना एडमिट कार्ड डाउनलोड कर लोगे, दैट इज एडमिट कार्ड, ई एडमिट कार्ड फॉर कंप्यूटर बेस्ड टेस्ट. सो इट विल लुक लाइक दिस. ये आपका एडमिट कार्ड है. ओके, सो क्या क्या इसमें आप चेक करेंगे, दैट फर्स्ट यू हैव टू चेक कि विच कोर्स यू हैव अप्लाइड फॉर, आपने कौन से कोर्स के लिए अप्लाई किया है. ओके, देन यू विल चेक योर CET एप्लीकेशन नंबर. आपका एप्लीकेशन नंबर क्या है, यू विल मैच अकॉर्डिंगली. एंड यू हैव टू चेक योर स्पेलिंग ऑफ योर नेम, that is candidate's name. आपको अपने नाम की स्पेलिंग चेक करनी है इधर. then your father's name, same, you have to check your father's name spelling and your name also. Okay, afterwards then you'll check your roll number, what is your roll number, and most importantly lastly you'll check your date of birth. What is the date of birth mentioned here, because date of birth and this candidate's name is the very basic thing that will be that how they will identify with that photo identification proof. जब आप सेंटर पे जाओगे तो they'll identify with candidate's name and date of birth with your photo identification proof. So make sure ये दोनों चीजें correct होनी चाहिए. And if any issues with that, you can directly call, or directly not call, you can email IMU for the same if you have any issues regarding it. And one more thing, you have to paste a photograph here. You have to paste a passport size photograph here, and please make sure you don't have to staple it. Okay, it's clearly written that you don't have to staple it, you have to fix it. Okay, then फिर आपको क्या मिलेगा, online examination center. Where is your online examination center? For this, let's suppose for this student have applied his preference in Noida, so he has got the center somewhere in Noida, that is Adarsh Pariksha Kendra, Noida, sector 155. And it will depend accordingly to your preference. जो भी आपने preference choose की होगी उसके हिसाब से आपका ये center आया होगा. उसके बाद क्या check करना है, you have to check that what is the date of the examination. I hope ये तो सबको पता होगी that what is the date of the examination. That is 24th May 2026. Okay, the day is Sunday. फिर उसके बाद time slot for this student, the slot is slot 1. Okay, the time is 10 AM to 1 PM. But you have to, the reporting time is 8:30 AM and the gate closing time is 9:30, because at 10 sharp the exam will start. So you have to manage accordingly. Okay, you have to reach the center before, I'll suggest you have to reach before 1 hour the reporting time, as वहाँ पे chaos हो जाता है and traffic jam might be possible. So be prepared, उसके हिसाब से घर से निकलो that you reach the center 1 hour before the reporting time, क्योंकि बाद में फिर it's no use of getting late and you'll not be able to give the exam only. So it's better to reach 1 hour before. Okay, I'll suggest in this case you have to reach around 7:30 or 7:45 at least. Okay, then what you have to check, okay, note, each question shall carry 1 mark. Each question will have 1 mark. Okay, and make sure there will be a provisional negative marking. Negative marking is there, that is 1/4 0.25 marks and will be deducted for every wrong answer. And for correct answer 1 marks will be awarded, and for unattempted questions 0 mark will be awarded. So you have to attempt accordingly. Okay, सारा कुछ attempt नहीं करना, you have to attempt accordingly because negative marking is there. Okay, we'll carry on to important instructions for credits. Important instructions. Okay, ये हो गया. फिर उसके बाद we'll carry forward to important instructions for candidates. What all are the important instructions? Okay, the candidates must bring the e-admit card on the day of CBT. Okay, तो क्या क्या आपको लेके जाना है? You have to carry a e-admit card. That is a copy. You have to carry a e-admit card, that is print out of e-admit card, and you have to carry a photo identification card. Okay, Make sure it should not be a photocopy or scanned copy. आप बाद में ये नहीं बोलेंगे sir I have it in my phone or something. No, you have to carry a photo identification card that shouldn't be photocopy or scanned. It should be original. Make sure you have to carry an original identification proof. Okay, that should be, वो कुछ भी हो सकता है. It can be passport, आधार कार्ड, voter ID card, voter identity card या driving license, PAN card, कुछ भी हो सकता है which is showing your photograph and signature, because so that they can verify with this photograph. जो भी आपकी यहाँ पे photograph होगी, they'll verify with this photograph and this signature. So you should make sure कि जो भी आप identification proof लेके जा रहे हैं उसमें you have your photograph and signature there. Okay, what next? The candidate's photograph and signature should be legibly printed. मतलब जो कैंडिडेट के फोटोग्राफ हैं वो बोथ एडमिट कार्ड पे भी विजिबल होने चाहिए एंड दैट टू ऑन द आइडेंटिफिकेशन कार्ड जो भी आप लेके गए हो, फोटो आईडी कार्ड जो भी आप कैरी कर रहे हो उसमें विजिबल होने चाहिए एंड इट शुड बी सेम. इट शुड बी सेम. And candidates are not allowed to enter test center without an e-admit card and photo identification card as mentioned. मैंने आपको जैसे पहले बताया, you have to carry an e-admit card and a photo identification card. इसके बिना they'll not allow you to enter. Okay, and the candidates are little bit worried that what calculator or what type of calculator or else they can carry a calculator or not. So it's mentioned here that candidates are allowed to carry scientific calculator that should be non-programmable. Okay, the thing is it should be non-programmable. You can carry a scientific calculator. Okay, and I'll suggest you to carry a 82 ms calculator. It is most commonly used. People take this calculator in most of the exams. So 82 ms you can carry, or any other non-programmable. Make sure the calculator should be non-programmable. Okay, and if you have any doubt you can visit imu.edu.in for anything if you have any doubt. And before appearing for your IMU CT, make sure that you read all these instructions. Okay, make sure that you read all this instruction. Okay, so these all instructions I'll summarize for you what all these instructions. So I'll summarize कि क्या क्या आपको वहां पे लेके जाना है. On the day of IMCT examination, you have to carry a e-admit card. Okay, e-admit card that should be a hard copy. Okay, you have to take a printout of your e-admit card, जो कि आप download कर सकते हो from the website. You can download it and get it printed. Make sure you print it. You have to carry a hard copy and a photo identification card. Photo identification card can be anything, your passport, your Aadhaar card, it can be anything which has your photo and a signature. Signature should be there and a photograph should be there, so to identify. Okay, and you can carry a scientific calculator. Make sure that the scientific calculator should be non-programmable. Okay, the calculator should be non-programmable. Okay, and you don't have to carry any rough sheet. Rough sheets will be provided there. Make sure that you carry a pen, and you can also carry a water bottle if you want, but water bottle should be transparent. You can carry a transparent water bottle. Okay, what else? I'll suggest there is no dress code mentioned in the instructions, but I'll suggest you have to wear decent clothes. You are much aware, आपने और भी exams दिए होंगे, so how you dress up there, it's not required that you wear formals, but you should be dressed in decent clothes. Or the best is you can wear formals if you wish. You can wear formals, or either any decent clothes is okay. Okay, thank you very much. Wishing you all the very best. Okay, all the best. Thank you.